Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to link Facebook into Instagram or Instagram into Facebook by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the Instagram application, and here I already opened my Instagram application, and the things we have to do is just go into the profile. And after that, we just need to go into the settings by just go into the three straight lines here. And after that, go click settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you just need to scrolling down until you found a how others can interact with you section, this, and then you just need to go into the settings tools. And in the settings section, you will be needing to scrolling downside until you found a where you share your story and post outside of Instagram. So you can activate the other app. Here it is Facebook, for example. So you can share this story to Facebook too. So whenever you post a story on your Instagram, it will be posted into your Facebook that you linked into your Instagram. So you just need to turn on. And after that, you can also sharing a recommending reels on Facebook too. So you just need to click this to activate it. So now your Facebook will be linked into Instagram, as well as your Instagram account is already linked into your Facebook. That's all the way how to link a Facebook on Instagram, or Instagram on a Facebook. So if you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.